I received a text today from a coworker at this number, from this number for me to call it. So it's important news for the post office, 1-401-285-2130. So we're going to call it.
Thank you for calling the Human Resources Department of the U.S. Postal Service. In an effort to increase productivity and keep the USPS from going out of business, please note the latest policy changes going into effect next Monday for all U.S. Postal Service employees. Sick days. We will no longer accept a doctor's notice proof of illness. If you are able to go to the doctor, you are able to come to work. Personal days. Each employee will receive 52 personal days a year. They are called Sundays. Enjoy them. Bereavement leave. Funerals are no longer an excuse for missing work. There is nothing you can do for dead friends or relatives. They're already dead. You should be at work. Lunch breaks. Overweight employees will no longer be allowed to take a lunch break. If you're not sure why, please look in the mirror. Bathroom breaks. Entirely too much time is being spent in bathrooms. There is now a strict 3-minute time limit in the stalls. At the end of 3 minutes, an alarm will sound, the toilet paper roll will retract, the stall door will open, and your picture will be taken and posted on Facebook. Thank you for calling the Human Resources Department of the U.S. Postal Service, where the lives of disgruntled postal workers are about to get even worse than they already are.
HumorHotlines.com.
Visit